Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showcasing a script that I created using Python. So this web scraping script will scrap pk.indeed website to scrap job postings. So let me show you how it works. So in Visual Studio Code you can see the code that I wrote for this Indeed bot. So how does it work is if I run the script, you can see I can enter here multiple keywords. So for example, if it's a Python developer comma data scientist and click on enter. Now I can also enter multiple locations that are comma separated. For example, I can add Karachi, Lahore, and any location that I want really. Now I will press on enter. You can see it will use multi-threading to basically scrap multiple leads on multiple pages simultaneously. So I'll fast forward this a little bit so you can see how does it work and show you the end results. So as you can see, we have got the results. So I've stopped the script actually at 20 listings. So you can see we are getting all of the description, job title, salary, location, and all the important columns that we need. So I can scale it to whatever location or keyword that I want really, and how many rows I can scrap it all. So if you need any scrapping projects like that, or do you want if you want to scrap any website, please connect with me here on LinkedIn or contact me on my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.